Hi, today we're going to be making a chicken and mandarin quinoa salad. This is really great for lunch and even good for kids. The mandarin oranges and the grapes make this super tasty. All right, let's run through the ingredients that we need to pull off this recipe. All right, first we're going to be using a cup or so of quinoa. All right, so we want to make sure that we have 2 cups of liquid to 1 cup of quinoa. So for the liquid that you're going to be making your quinoa in, you can use any type of a chicken stock that you have. This is actually a homemade chicken stock, which is great, even healthier than for the kids, especially if you're going to be using this for lunch. Also have a little bit of our organic free-range chicken. We're just going to poach that. We're also going to be using a nice, easy sauce to flavor this up. That sauce is just a little bit of your local honey, a little bit of sesame seed oil, a little bit of soy sauce, and also some rice wine vinegar. And then finally, we're going to be using some of our mandarin oranges and also some grapes. It's a great idea to go ahead and clean your grapes on the day of your prep, but I would recommend holding off and actually chopping these up on the day that you make this recipe. That will keep your grapes from drying out. Same will be true of your mandarin oranges as well. Very, very simple. Once you get all this pulled together, you can use this for a couple of meals the next day. Leftovers are going to be great for this, and again, it's great for kids as lunch. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going in to poach our chicken. That's really simple. We really don't need any seasoning on this. There's no sense to put this on the grill or even to bake it. We're just gonna go ahead and poach it to make it easy. So as this starts to cook then, we'll add that to our quinoa salad. There we go. Okay, now moving on to our quinoa. These are some really great things that you can prep in advance. Quinoa is great to make during your prep night on a Sunday. Make a cup or 2 of it so that you have it throughout the week. So here we're going to be using, again, a little less than a cup of the quinoa. We need to make sure that we match then the liquids to that. And we'll be using our homemade chicken stock from one of our free-range chickens here. Okay, so when using your own homemade chicken stock, it's perfectly normal to see some of this jelly-like substance at the very top. That's good. Those are all the good ingredients that we need. So this is a really, really healthy stock and highly recommended. So use your free-range chickens to make the most of them and use stock so you don't have to purchase it. And from this point, just follow your package instructions for your quinoa. Very, very simple. And we'll go ahead and let this cook down until it absorbs all of the liquid. Then we're gonna let it cool and then we'll pull it all together. Okay, chicken is poached, the quinoa has been cooked. The great thing is both of those cooked for about the same amount of time. We went ahead and we have diced up our chicken. Now we're just gonna simply mix it all together. Really, really simple. You can see how great this quinoa looks when we used our fresh stock. Okay, now we are going in then with our grapes. Again, you can add as many or as little as you want. If you're making it for the kids, you might want to add a little bit more and some of your mandarin oranges. And the great thing about this recipe, add anything else that you would like. If you wanted to add cucumber, celery to this, doesn't really matter. It's all gonna work really well together. Just gonna mix this around. All right, and then when you're done with that, then just add your seasoning. Might not even take all of it, just season to taste. I have not added any salt and pepper to this because we have some soy sauce in this mixture and that's gonna make this salty enough. Just use a little bit of it, test it out. All right, and that's all that it takes to pull off this chicken and mandarin quinoa salad. Perfect for a dinner, perfect for lunch. You can serve this cold or heated. And also all of the fruits in here make this perfect for the kids. It's a great snack or lunch for them to have. All right, hope that you enjoyed it. We'll see you again real soon.